guys, Blaine here from Spinning and Winning Slots. Just caught the hold and spin bonus on Lightning Link Sahara Gold. We're playing for a $17,337 grand, a $665 major, $50 minor, and a $10 mini. Let's do some spinning and winning, see what we get. Here we go. Drop something with some words on that. Come on. We need something. Oh, there we go. 250, we'll take that. Gets us down the road a little bit. Come on. Do something big. Oh. All right, just fill in the whole damn time. Oh, the music's like sped up. It's like I need to start moving faster or something. Come on, hit it. Oh, all right. Here's the countdown. What do we get? Do a little bit of a coin show. Oh, $12.50. Coin show. All right. We got a little bit of a coin show there. Something to get Carrie and Lou excited about. They're my coin show people. It's always fun to see a little coin show, but it's fun to see a bigger coin show. So guys, while we're kind of waiting for this to add up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on that bell icon for further notification of videos, make sure you're smashing that thumbs up, and definitely leave me a comment. Always nice to hear from you. Alright, should be done here in a second. And we'll get some backup spins going here. Come on. Alright, here we go. Music's going to crescendo. And we're all done. There we go. $12.50. Alright. Let's hit this back to back. Oh. A little bit of scorpions with the wilds there. Come on. Let's do something. Hit it again. Come on. Nope. But we might catch it there. Nope. Bell on that machine's loud. Let's take a couple dollar spins. See if we get it. I've been playing dollar on 2 cent and penny all night long, and just nothing wants to hit on it. Wants to hit at 50 cents, doesn't want to hit it about 50 or 250. So I guess we're just staying with 50 cents for a few minutes here. I'll take a couple more spins. Come on. Oh, blocked out by the balls. Come on. Alright guys, if I get something else, I'll bring you back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep spinning and winning. Okay, Blain out. Cheers. Hi guys, Blain here from Spinning and Winning Slots. Sitting here playing Sahara Gold. Just caught the bonus. Got the 3 temples. Here's what we're playing for. There's a $17,336 grand, a $665 major, $50 minor, and a $10 mini. Just playing 50 cents on it. We're kind of low rolling here. We've got the bonus coming up here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's do some spinning and winning. Here we go. Okay, let's pick one. I always pick the fuzzies on the left, so we'll go with the treasure chest on the left. Hold and spin. Oh, 9 free games with 100 added. All right, not bad. We can do something with that. Okay, but we gotta have them line up first with the wilds before we do anything. Come on, wilds, line it up. Oh my, come on. Do it. Wow, we got $1.30 so far. Come on, hit it. Wow. We got 100 wilds added. That's not a whole lot there. Come on. We got 2 games left. This could be really good if it line them up. Wow. Just doesn't want to do anything. Last spin. Come on, wilds. Nope. Nope. Bonus bummer. Alright, let's take a couple backup spins. That feature's over with. So that's one thing I really don't understand. Why even bother? I mean, if you're going to give you a $3 bonus, keep it. I mean, I think the minimum of bonus should be is $10. I mean, you're sitting here playing, you know, $20, $30, $40, $50, and you get a $3 bonus, or, you know, a couple of them tonight. $1.30, $1.40. It's like, are you kidding? All right, over the Kings. We'll help that out. Okay, we're back down to where we started, basically. Still getting wilds, but no, just go with it. All right. There we go. All right, well, good thing we kept playing. From bonus bummer to hold and spin. Well, let's see what we get then. Here we go, guys. Let's do some spinning and winning. Drop that major in there, or drop a minor even. Minors are $50, we'll take that. Or something bigger than $1, but, you know, we'll take that too. Okay, no. Bigger than 50 cents, please. Okay, we're back up to $1. How about 5 now? Or a $10 ball, something. One left. Let's go. Save us. Oh, all right, guys. Here's our count up. That could be a lot, but then the bonus, it's more than the bonus before this. There we go. Coin show or no coin show? Yeah, we got us a coin show. There we go, guys. I'm going to help it along, of course. But don't forget, while we're on the coin show, let's make sure we're hitting that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, here we go. There we go. Sorry, Lou. Sorry, Carrie. But let's help it along. Come on, do it again. Oh, 5 of them. Come on. It's just teasing now. Let's do something big. Throw $1 on there a little bit. See if it wants to pay us for $1 bet. Yeah, not really wanting to give us anything there. Let's try 50 cents again. Nope. Minor, come on, do it. Oh, you bastards. Throw that temple on that last reel. As I said, this machine being evil. There's a lot of them here being evil tonight. Come on, hit it. Let's take one more spin, guys, and I'll bring you back if I hit something. Nope. All right. Thanks for spinning and winning. It's been fun, but not real. Well, and we're back at even money, so I can't say it's not profitable. It's just not a profit. So anyway, we had some fun. We're spinning and winning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click on that bell icon. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep spinning and winning. Cheers.